What's the meaning of crème de menthe? Crème de menthe. Crème de menthe.
Crème de menthe. Crème de menthe. Crème de menthe is a sweet, mint-flavored liqueur that originated in France. The name translates to cream of mint, indicating the creamy texture and strong mint flavor of the drink. It is typically made by steeping fresh mint leaves in alcohol and adding sugar, resulting in a bright green color and a refreshing taste with hints of vanilla and citrus. Crème de menthe can be enjoyed on its own as an after-dinner drink or used as an ingredient in cocktails and desserts.